this is Krystal, and today I am very excited to be sharing the brand new Fierce and Fabulous January Life Crafted Kit from Citrus Twist Kits. It is exactly as its name implies, it is fabulous. So let me start by sharing the cards and papers. So as always, you get 3x4 cards. These are double-sided, so I'll share both sides with you. This one says feel the fear and do it anyway, and the other side says weekend fun, with spot for journaling or for your photo. Here's a little bouquet on this gorgeous book print background. Another floral with a spot again for a photo or for some journaling. A black and white plaid with again a spot for a photo or journaling in the center. And then question and answer on this side in that gorgeous minty teal color. Some stars, you can never have too many stars, with a gray border. More of this. Today in photos, I really love that one. All in the details with lines for journaling. Best of today, and it looks like it's kind of repeat stamped in different colors. Very, very cute. And a little banner at the top of this one. Whoops, a green kind of geometric floral print. I really like this one too. It's kind of like a lined paper. It says today, and that has an arrow and a spot for some journaling or stamping. There's also a little spot here for maybe the date, and then some lines for journaling as well, or you could even add a small photo in there. This one has numbers 1 through 5 in this gorgeous yellow color. And the other side says, what a wonderful thought that some of the best days of our lives haven't happened yet. And this little bit up here says there is so much more to come. Really love that one too. That's really beautiful. And these are the days, and then a beautiful kind of rainbow stripe on the back. So those are the 3x4 cards. There are also 4x6 cards. Again, these are double-sided. So there's this one with a grid print, a blue and green floral print, a really pretty stripe in blues and teals and pinks. And then this one says love, love, love. So I thought I had it upside down for a second, but the words are reversed, so very cool. That way you could do it on either side. So those are the 4x6 cards. There is also a 3x8 bookmark. So this one has 2020 at the top. It's perfect to start your album for the year with. And then the other side said this is happening with a gray plaid print. As always, you get a cut apart sheet of labels in the kit that are coordinated to the colors of the kit. I always get tons of use out of these. I love that we get so many labels. And then there are 6x8 papers. These are all exclusive to Citrus Twist Kits. So let's take a look. There is this minty green stripe, a beautiful bright pink geometric print, more of that blue and green kind of floral, some lemons, a minty pattern with a little bit of distressing in the corners, a really gorgeous kind of peachy pink pattern. This one reminds me of a winter sweater. A foliage print in light green and minty colors, another gray plaid. This is really pretty too. It has kind of a quilt pattern in bright pink and peach and mint and kind of a gold, like a goldish green yellow color. It's really beautiful. More book print, and this one also has kind of like a cursive typewriter print in it as well. I love papers like these. These neutrals are great backgrounds and places to mat a photo or some journaling. There is a peachy grid card, or paper that is, and then this really beautiful floral that totally reminds me of a vintage sheet. I think it's absolutely gorgeous. Okay, so those are the 6x8 papers and the cards that are in the kit. Let me set these aside just a second so I can show you all of the gorgeous embellishments. So let's start with the alpha. It's a foam alpha. It's a beautiful size for pocket pages. I love these tiny alphas. It is double-sided. Look at all of those numbers that you get. I love that. And it's in this bright pink color. Very, very pretty. There is also a set of puffy stickers. Make sure you can see all of those. So there are some tickets, some little banners, some things that say best of today, happiness. There's a little tassel, a little circus tent, family time, stay true, stay you. And then it's filled in with all these little shapes like stars and hearts. There is also a set of die cut ephemera, and this one has gold glitter. Oh my goodness, it is so gorgeous. I hope you can see that on camera. It is absolutely beautiful. I'm not going to take all of these out because there is this wonderful guide on the back that shows you everything that's included. So I'll just let you take a look at that. There are again some tickets, some banners, more kind of circusy themes, which I really love. And of course, all of that beautiful gold glitter paper. In addition to those die cuts, we get some fabric ephemera die cuts as well. Here's a look at what's inside. So these are fabric. They have a slick back, which makes them easy to add adhesive to and adhere down to your projects in gorgeous bright colors. And then finally, the stamp that comes with this kit has some really wonderful sayings like wild tales, good stuff, feeling happy, today I feel fierce and fabulous. And then all these little prints say my courage, my stories, I was not made to give up, ho hum, just fine, this world needs your voice, things that make life worthwhile and interesting, feel free to hit them with a plot twist. And then on the side, is going to happen, to tell, happen, more. So you can see you can build these together to create all kinds of different phrases on your projects. So that is the amazing Fierce and Fabulous kit for January. There are also a couple stamps releasing this month, so let me show you those as well. In addition to the Life Crafted kit, there are 2 stamps releasing this month. There is the large 4x6 stamp called Fierce. This is Life stamp, and then the Traveler's Notebook stamp set as well. So let's start with the larger one, the This is Life stamp set. You can see it has this frame that's kind of like a slide frame and all these things that fit inside. And the best part about the Citrus Twist Kit stamps is this little guide on the back that helps give you ideas for how to put these stamps together to create buildable little embellishments and journaling spots and cool little things to add to your project. So this shows you how all of these stamps work together to create this gorgeous set of embellishments. And of course you can mix and match all of them. So many options here. Love this stamp. The Traveler's Notebook stamp is just as good. I love these phrases. So there's it's all good, make happy memories, routine, just this, remember, story, beginnings, get it done, currently happening, this is my daily life, on this date, documented, remembered, craziness, details, it's my story, currently, and right now. And I don't know if you've noticed, but these work really well together as well. So there are all these little icons on this one that would work with this stamp as well. So these I think would work really well together. So those are the stamps that are releasing in January. And here is one more look at all the things releasing in January. So here is the Life Crafted kit and the add-on stamp sets. Of course, you can find all of this in the Citrus Twist Kit shop. If you're not already a subscriber, be sure to stop by and pick up this kit. You don't want to miss it.